Hey artists, what if you were missing out on a way to make a lot of extra money using your skills and your talents that you aren't even aware of, in a way that could literally fund your music career and even become a full-time income that you could live off of? What about that? This last Tuesday night, yesterday night, we had our weekly Q&A live call with our network members in the network community, all the artists. And shout out to Trace. We basically just went through his model in the last couple of weeks, and we've been working through where he's stuck. We've been working through his goals, where he's trying to get through, where he's trying to get to. And in the process of doing that, guys, we actually came up with a potentially game-changing way for him to fund his music career, because we identified that as one of the issues that he was running into. And we're teaching him how to grow his own community around the skills and the talents that he has, because he's got some really specific things that he's good at that other artists, he's in the worship space, other worship artists, leaders, churches need this information, and nobody is really offering a community built around that thing. I'm like, bro, you already have a really valuable skill here. Obviously you still want to do music full-time and be a full-time artist and get there, but what we have identified is you need more money to fund the career in the way that you're wanting to. So let's try to solve how you could be making more money. And it blew his mind, because he's like, holy smokes, this is a skill that I have had. This is something I'm already doing for people for free, and I just have to start being more consistent with it and building a community around it and recording content and putting resources together to help people for this stuff, and then I can just tell them to join. And in my opinion, Joey's opinion, every artist should be doing this, guys. You should all be starting a community in some way, shape, or form. Either a community for your fans to support you, get more connection with you, get to be included in your music journey in a more personal way in exchange for that support, or one where you are taking your skills and your abilities and your gifts that these skills that you're using to launch your career and do all of your stuff, and make them available as services to other artists and other people who need that thing. It's like an artist that knows how to produce for him or herself. Well, guess what? You can make that service available to other artists, right? And then you can use that to fund your career. It's that situation, but there's a million different ways to do it. So one thing that we've started doing in our Anthem network is we're teaching artists how to grow communities and lock in on what their niche is, what their skill set is, and how they can incorporate this into their career, and long term have that thing making as much or more money than their music. And now you combine these two things, it's like, whoa, yeah, I can make a full-time career out of this, and I love it. And I love doing all this stuff. It's the stuff I'm already doing. It's just being intentional with it and building a model around it. If you want to learn how to do that, guys, we'll show you how to do it. It's in the Anthem network in the description below. Go try out a 7-day free trial if you feel so called. We'll show you how to do it, guys. And by the way, it's wildly affordable. We keep it very, very affordable for independent artists to be able to do it, because back in the day, guys, we were doing our music thing. We didn't have millions of monthly listeners. We didn't get to do music full time like we do now. We didn't have any money, and we wish people would have just shown us what we needed to do in an affordable way and make that sort of thing accessible. So that's what we're doing. Go check it if you want. Check it out if you want, guys. But just think about it. Think through this right now. This is how I want to end the video. Think through your career, all the skills you have, and think, are there any of these skills that other people are willing to pay for that I could build something around? Or do I have a fan base that wants more of me, that I could potentially create a fan base community around it? And then there's a million different strategies and options, even just for the pricing, the offering, and how you're going to place yourself and word it. And like, there's a million different ways, the funnels, how to get people into it. But first you need to come up with the idea. So think through that. What are the skill sets that I'm not utilizing or optimizing financially that I could be to help support my music career? There's your nugget for the night. Appreciate you. Do me a favor, like, subscribe, drop me a comment if you have a question on this, an observation, if you have a topic that you want me to dive into and cover. But yeah, subscribe, follow along. We're trying to grow this channel, make it a resource for artists. Appreciate you. And that's it for this one. I'll catch you on the next call.